Here, got a little bit of got an update coming here for you. I don't know, it is mid-July. There's one going across the top. Oh, look. Got one coming across the bottom. So the track is all the way around. Got a siding right here for the distribution center. This is going to be the building supply. Background building. This will build up for a train station. Another industry over here. Grain elevator here. Got a farm going on over there. Got an industrial peninsula going on here. Look at all that garbage. Yep, just a little short update. Got the YY right there. Things are going. Well, as long as everything runs nice and smooth, then I'll tack the track down, and we'll move on to the rest of it. So, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we will see you later.